Drink 1 glass of red wine before bed and see what happens to your waistline. A research at the Harvard University studied 20,000 women in 13 years for the effects of red wine on their weight. The results are very interesting. They indicate that those who took 2 glasses of red wine a day had no issues with obesity and that red wine boosts fat burning. The Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry printed a research in regards to what grapes do in the body as well as which properties make red wine stimulate weight loss. The study showed that mice were less likely to store liver fat and had lower blood sugar levels when they're given red wine grape extract. Acids in grapes can slow down the growth of fatty cells. Red wine as a snack. Try drinking red wine instead of an evening snack. It's known that a glass of red wine has fewer calories than ice cream, a piece of cake or chips. It has 0 bad fats. A woman called Linda Monk snacked on red wine and lost 6 pounds within 3 weeks. It helped her to lower sugar cravings too and also eat less unwholesome snacks before sleeping. Health benefits of red wine. Due to its high content of resveratrol, red wine has many health benefits. It's a powerful antioxidant known to prevent tumors. Due to its ability to prevent cell damage, it can also prevent Alzheimer's disease and protect your heart. This antioxidant is also linked to a longer lifespan and enhanced athletic performance. Is there anything to worry about? Because it's very healthy and helps in weight loss, try not to drink a whole bottle at once. The key here is moderation. Try making a difference between replacing snacks with wine and drinking it with a snack. A glass of wine and chips results in extra calories. You shouldn't take red wine late at night. It will affect your sleep and you might wake up drowsy the following day. This may not apply to you, but you know your body better, so you can decide what's best for you. Drinking a glass of red wine once in a while doesn't affect your body shape. It may actually lead to a gorgeous body.
Reduce your waistline overnight literally with this so-called fat loss bomb. People nowadays love how the world works. Well, everything works on an instant recipe, from foods to health remedies. Every person in the world wants an instant solution for their problems or health conditions. We all need instant solutions for our problems, especially for appearance problems, just like weight and skin repair. Some women, who have overweight problems, have real difficulties in life to get ready for any type of occasion. It's because they are embarrassed with the way they look. In this post, we are going to show you the best, overnight liquid balm that will burn that fat tissue around your abdominal area. This amazing fat-burning drink is extremely healthy and beneficial for burning fat around your belly. It's also very delicious. Overnight fat burning liquid balm. Recipe. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of grapefruit juice, 1 teaspoon of honey. Directions: you need to put all the ingredients mentioned above in a blender. Mix until you get a nice and homogeneous mixture. How to use it: you need to drink this amazing fat burning drink before every meal. You will get the best results if you drink this drink before lunch and dinner, every day. After a week, you will see a big difference in your waistline. Many women, who have consumed this drink, have lost 1 centimeter of their waistline instantly. Well, can you believe what will happen if you drink it for 1 week? This amazing fat-burning drink works better than any other painful tricks. This drink actually works because it eliminates the excess fat deposit and water under your waist. Besides the fat-burning part, this drink is also extremely helpful for improving the brain function, hearing aid, improves your vision and memory booster. This is the best and complete refreshing drink. Waistline reducer. This is another, extremely useful and effective drink that will help you reduce the size of your waist. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 cup of finely diced melon, 1 cucumber, 1 pear, 1 lemon, half tablespoon of ginger. Directions: first of all, you need to squeeze the juice from the lemon into a blender, then add all the other ingredients into a blender and mix well until you get a nice mixed smoothie. When it's all done, pour the mixture in a glass and enjoy this delicious fat-burning drink. About the ingredients: the lemon is loaded with high amounts of vitamin C. We all know that vitamin C improves the absorption rate and it speeds up your metabolism. Melons are extremely useful and beneficial in the weight loss process, because they help to melt the fat around the abdominal area. You can consume this fruit in a natural way to reduce sugar cravings and boost your immune system. Cucumber is also a very powerful tool for burning that stubborn fat around the belly area. It's also extremely useful in reducing the water retention in your body. pears are loaded with fiber, so it makes the perfect ingredient to burn down the fat cells around your abdominal area. Well, let me say this one more time, this amazing fat burning drink is the best way to lose the belly fat and stay slimmer. All you have to do is drink it for 1 week, and see the results for yourselves. Along with the fat burning drink, you can also try out the vacuum pose every day to give a good work for your stomach lining. We really hope you enjoyed this post, and please share it with your friends and family. Thank you.